The MDA government spokesperson and cabinet minister Paul Lyngdoh said the proscribed Nyotrap National Liberation Council (HNLC) should refrain from issuing threats as people of the state are intelligent enough to understand an ills that plague the Maumlo Chera Cement Limited (MCCL). His statement came after the HNLC had issued a death threat to NPP MLA from Zora, Gavin Miguel Milame, over the government's move to shut down the loss-making MCCL. Speaking to media, Lyngdoh said that it is not a single individual, it is an entire set of events that the Zora NPP MLA has also clarified, which has led to this unfortunate situation of the MCCL.
Confident that whatever statement has come out should not in any way impede the course of the peace talks. And since the HNLC has not actually declared that it is putting a stop or closing its door to the peace talks, so those talks are still very much in the on the right course. People of the state are intelligent enough to understand what led to the various ills that plague the MCCL. And it's not a single individual. It's an entire set of events which Mr. Gavin has also clarified.